This weekly appointment book planner runs from early January 2025 through January of the following year, so you can map out a full academic or business cycle without switching tools midstream. The large 8 1/4 inch by 11-inch pages give each day generous space, and the quarter-hour time slots make it easy to block out client meetings or tightly packed shifts. Its paper handles most everyday pens and markers without distracting bleed-through, which keeps your schedule clean and easy to read even when you write heavily. Beyond the weekly spreads, it includes reference calendars, contact pages, note sections, and a pocket folder, so you can keep key details and loose papers together in one place. The winestone faux leather cover and sturdy twin-wire binding look professional on a desk while holding up well to daily opening and closing. Thoughtful design touches and United States assembly give this planner a polished, reliable feel that suits busy professionals, students, and home organizers alike.